Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Discord update failed at retrying. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. You just need to search Discord. If anything is running in the background, just right click on it and select end task. After doing it, just close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type app data. Click on OK. Now you just need to double click on the roaming folder. Find a Discord folder, double click on it. Now you just need to select cache folder, blob storage, code cache and GPU cache. You just need to delete these four folder guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just try click on it and delete it. Now you just need to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type run. Click on open in again. Now you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Find a Discord folder, double click on it. In here you just need to right click on the update.exe and select rename. At the end of this exe you just need to type dot old and press enter. Select yes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Now go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can open the Discord without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.